Hello viewers, this Too Fast here. In today's video I'll be reviewing this ANKER SOLIX C1000 portable power station. Now this is a very high capacity 1056 watt-hour power station. It can output 1800 watt of power. With this you can power things like a portable coffee maker, an electric grill, or a portable refrigerator at a campsite. And of course you can use it as a power source to power your tools and charge your electronic devices. There are 6 AC outputs, 4 USB outputs, and a DC 12V output. The SOLIX C1000 also features ultra-fast charging. You can fully charge the internal battery in an hour. There's also wireless connectivity to a mobile app, so you can monitor and control this device wirelessly. In this video, I'll show you all the features on this unit, so let's get started. Let me show you the unboxing of this ANKER SOLIX C1000 portable power station. And right here is a SOLIX C1000. This AC power cord. DC cigarette lighter charging cable. There's a solar charging cable. Now this unit comes with a 5-year warranty. Safety sheet information. Now you can also scan the QR code on this front page and download the user manual. Here's a look at the front of this power station. Now to turn it on, right here is the main power button. Press and hold for 3 seconds and the unit will turn on. With the unit on, if you press the power button once, it'll turn off the LCD display. Press it once more and it'll turn it back on. Now right below the LCD display you have 2 USB-C charge port and 2 USB-A charge port. With these 2 USB-A charge port, they will output 5V at 2.4 amp each. For the USB-C charge port, this one here on the left is marked 100 watt and this one here on the right is marked 30 watt. So this one here on the left will output 5V at 3 amp, 9V at 3 amp, 15V at 3 amp, 20V at 3 amp, or 20V at 5 amp. Over here on the right, this one will output 5V at 3 amp, 9V at 3 amp, 12V at 2.5 amp. This button you see here is for turning on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth connection. You can install the ANKER app on your mobile phone and then connect to this device and make changes to the settings. On the far right is a reset button. If you're having a problem with the operation of this unit, use a paperclip, press and hold the button inside here, put it in this hole and press the button for 1 second and it'll reset the unit. Now on the left side here, there's a 12V car socket. Open up this cover and you can insert your 12V cigarette lighter plug to power your 12V devices. And right here is a power button to turn this on. The maximum current on this is 10 amp. This bar you see right here is an LED flashlight. To turn it on, press this button here. Press it once, there's a dim mode. Press it once more, there's medium brightness. Once more, there's a high brightness. If you press it again, it'll turn off. Now if you press and hold this button, it'll turn on the SOS. At the bottom here, you have 6 AC outputs. The total maximum output is 1800 watt. Now this last one here on the right is labeled Surge Pad. This power station can output a maximum of 2400 watt on this AC output. Just keep in mind you don't want to plug any high precision devices on this port because AC output is not going to be the cleanest voltage coming out, but it will give you the high wattage that you need. And to turn on these AC output, right here is a power button. Press it once and now it's turned on. This LCD display will show you the status of the power station. So for example, if I turn on the AC output, it'll tell you the AC output is on. Right now it's showing you the 12V output is on. If I turn it off, then the icon will turn off. Right in the middle it'll show you the charge level of the internal battery. It'll also give you warning for low temperature alert, overload warning, high temperature alert, the estimated time to fully recharge, estimated time for battery to deplete, and the current input and current output. So in total there are 11 output ports on this power station and you can connect all 11 devices simultaneously. Meaning you can connect your devices to the USB port for charging and connect AC devices to the AC output port. Now inside this unit is a 1056 watt-hour lithium ferrophosphate battery cell. This type of battery cell is a lot better than your regular lithium-ion battery. It has a much better cycle life, so it lasts longer, and also has better thermal and chemical stability. So you don't have to worry about the cells combusting and catching on fire. And this is very important if you're traveling and you have this in your vehicle. Here on the left side are your charging ports. Over here is AC input charging port, and there's a DC charging port. In the middle is overload protection circuit. Basically it's a breaker that you can reset if you need to. Now if you're charging this power station with the included AC power cord, then it'll charge it at 1000 watts. Now you can use the mobile app and enable the ultra fast charging. With the ultra fast charging, it will charge this power station at 1300 watt, and you can fully charge the internal battery in 58 minutes. And this is extremely fast compared to other units on the market that sometimes take 5, 6, 7, 8 hours to charge. Now one thing to keep in mind is you don't always want to use ultra fast charging because that can reduce the lifespan of the battery. But that feature is there for you to use if you need it. Now for the DC input charging, it comes with 2 DC charging cable. This one here on the right is a cigarette lighter charging cable. So you can plug this into your vehicle and charge your power station. Now this other cable you see here is for charging this unit with solar panel. And if you're using the solar panel to charge this, then the maximum wattage is 600 watts. Now looking on the right side of this unit, if you open up this cover, right here is the expansion battery port. With this you can connect another Anker battery pack and double the capacity to 2112 watt hour. Now you can also use this power station as a backup UPS. And how you do that is plug your AC devices to these outputs and then also plug in your AC charging cable. So when there's a power outage, the power station will continuously output power and keep your devices like your computer or other electronic devices powered. Now if you download the user manual, there's a QR code you can scan to install the Anker app. Once you're signed in, add a device. Using the Wi-Fi connection on my phone, it has already found the Solix C1000. Select that. Here you can select Wi-Fi connection or Bluetooth control. I'm going to use Bluetooth control. And right here is the control panel for the Solix C1000. Now you can select settings at the top. Here are all the settings for the power station. Here are some examples of different devices you can power using this portable power station. On the left side I have a soldering station and a battery charger, and both of these devices are on right now. In the middle I have a cell phone that I'm charging with a USB charge port, and on the right side I'm also charging my laptop. If I press the power button, the display will show me how much wattage is using. Right now these devices are using 33 watt. The tea kettle is not on right now, and that on its own draws over 1000 watt. I'll turn that on right now. Now with the tea kettle on, you hear the fan turn on in the power station, and that's because it's drawing a lot more power. So all of these devices combined are drawing over 1100 watt right now. And to show you, the water is boiling right now. Besides the AC output and the USB output, I also have a 12 volt output right here. I'll use this to power my compressor. Press the power button to turn it on. And now I can turn on the compressor. Right here I have a 1600 watt heat gun, and the output on this is rated at 1800 watt. So I'm going to turn this on to the maximum heat setting, and let's see if this power station can power this. Right now it's on the maximum setting, and the display shows 1470 watt that's being used right now. As you can see, it has no problem powering this heat gun. With the heat gun plugged in, let me show you the Anker app. So on the app you see the battery charge level is 88%. If I scroll down to the AC output, I can remotely turn it on. And now the heat gun's on. I can also turn on the flashlight and set the brightness. At the top it'll also show you the remaining power. Right now the remaining power with the heat gun on is 8 hours and 54 minutes. As you can see, this Anker Solix C1000 portable power station is a very capable device. You can use it to power all different types of devices, and it's great if you're using this at a job site or take it with you on a camping trip. You can also use it as a UPS backup power source for your computer, laptop, and even some household appliances. So if you're in the market for a portable power station, you should definitely take a look at this. Now at the time of this review, you can pick one up on Amazon for $750. I'll put a link in the video description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.